In this demonstration video, we'll cover some of the newer features added to the Power Farming website. In particular, we'll have a look at the login mechanism and the users area, what they see once they're logged in. The subscribe to magazine region is also functional, so we'll demo that as well. To begin with, we'll log in. I have an account which I've created already, and the account's actually a dealer level account. So on the first page when you log in, you'll see a new submenu appears. So this only appears when people are logged in. So if I was to log out again, you'll see that the login menu disappears. I'll need to log back in now. So when you first log in, you'll get the very basic details of an account. So contact details such as first name, your email address, mobile number, and area. So if I was to update this, and then click save, it's actually stopped me because my email address is not in the correct format. Okay, so there's an indicator that my account details have been saved. I've changed my name to John, as you can see there. This would be reflected as well in the administration area, so we'll just switch to the admin CMS. You can see there that that's the account, John. So I'll change that back to my name and save it again. Now the other area which shows up, particularly because my account is set as a dealer account, which you can see here. If I was a farmer account, that area there would not show up. In this area, what we have is information specifically relevant to dealers and to new machinery distributors. So that looks very similar for new machinery distributors. You can see here that there's an account expiration. Now at the moment it says my account expires on the 17th of March. What we'll do, just to demonstrate, I'll change this so the account expires sooner. So there's account expiration. This would effectively mean my account is expiring quite soon. What you see here is a notice is given warning your account expires in 2 days. So 2 days on the 23rd, currently it's the 21st of February. So that warning will pop up. As you can see here, I can enter the name of my business. If I save it, that will update. As you can see, it's retained the new value. Address information goes here for my business. There's also a marker here where my ads have the address show up with them. So this is specifically for a dealer. The other area of interest is the company logo. So there's a logo here at the moment. What I'll do is I'll delete this and upload a new logo. There's some information here instructing the user of the particular size required. Now this links to a PDF which gives some help on how to prepare images for upload. So what I'll do is I'll delete this particular logo. This is what would appear with a dealer's adverts when people are looking at their ads on the website. There's a confirmation. Okay, so you can see that the logo's disappeared here. What I'll do is I'll upload a new logo to replace that. I'll just pick anything. Save. As you can see, that's the logo that's just been uploaded. I can also change my password. So my current password is just A. I'll change to something else. Maybe my password isn't A. Ah, okay, that's why. So the system already knows what my current password is because I'm actually logged in. So it's just an input to set what your new password is. Okay, so my password's been updated. Now what I'll do is I'll log out. Another thing worth viewing on the login screen is the recovery mechanism. So if I've lost my password, this is what comes up as a mechanism to recover my password. So I'll enter in my email address and click recover password. What you see here is specifically only for development purposes. This occurs because I'm on my server, my development server. You would not see this on the live website. This just gives the ability to see a demonstration of what the email would look like. Now what I'll do from here is jump to the subscribe to magazine page and we'll have a look at that. So I'm on the subscribe to magazine page. These options here are reflected via the CMS. So whatever you see here can be edited via the admin module. I'll give you a quick look at where that's at. That is under magazine subscription options. So edit. You can see here that text there is that text there. What happens is if there's more text than can be displayed within these blocks, there'll be this little area here. Now on the first page is where a person selects which publications they want. So I'll just have the first two, the magazine subscription and the diary. Once I've selected, well, if I try and shift on without selecting, you'll see a message pops up. So I'll choose which magazine items I want. So the next stage after subscription choice is delivery address. I'll put in my details, so Lewis Marshall. I'll indicate that I want to subscribe to the magazine. Now there's some survey information here as well. It's optional, the person doesn't have to enter that in. Once I filled this in, I click continue. Now I've shifted onto the confirmation page where you're basically saying to the person, are you really sure this is all what you want to buy and this is where it's going to be delivered to? If they try and continue without checking this box, they'll get that message. Now on the last page, which is payment, this is where a person puts in their details. At the moment, the credit card clearing facilities aren't in. I just have an alternate option, which is ring me to get my credit card number. So what I'll do is I'll complete the order. Again, what happens when an order is completed? 2 emails are sent off. One email goes to the actual customer, giving them some information saying this is what you've purchased on this date. And a second notification email goes to Power Farming to let them know, hey, a purchase has been made, you need to go and ship this off to the person. Now this information about what's been subscribed to is stored in the admin system. So this is under publication purchases. This is the order I just made then. As you can see, it's marked what items I've chosen to buy, which is the Power Farming magazine and the diary, the total cost, and there's other tracking information in here. That concludes the current demonstration covering some of the account area, the login, and the subscribe to magazine feature.